So we're doing a training run. We have a run coming up in Townsend this coming weekend. Saturday. So look, it's just a
glorious.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Look at this. Great day for running. Just a beautiful day for anything, really.
So warm.
Snow. Okay, so we're in Townsend and we're at the Best Western, and get this, it's the same room we had last time. It's like we never left. But we have a race tomorrow. It's a 5K, which is easy enough. We have to go get our packets, and we have to go to Maryville to get them. They'll have them in the morning at the race, but we figure it's just less chaotic to just go get them tonight. So it's at an Axe house. Okay, we are at the Axe house, where we pick up our packets.
It's a beautiful evening.
It really is. Look at the sky. Man, look at those clouds. It's so pretty.
There's a car coming.
Where else besides the political arena can you find such a fine place for axe throwing?
Ooh, no open-toed shoes.
Ooh, I wonder why.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up.
I'm loving this place. Thank you. Small bill.
It is like it's cute. It's not. You guys want sexy shoes on our bag?
Oh yeah, that would be great.
You go into Townsend Nutrition, like special BPs and all that kind of stuff.
We're gonna throw axes. Yes, we would love to throw some axes.
Have you been here before?
We have
No,
not.
I've never done it.
In fact, I don't know that I've ever actually thrown an axe before.
Okay, so both of you will have to fill out a waiver. There's one here, there's one over there.
A waiver. I love this. Release of liability, waiver, and assumption of risk.
So while you're filling out the waiver, be thinking of your axe throwing name.
Oh, okay.
Can be anything but your real name.
Axe throwing name can be anything but my real name.
Yes.
Gotcha.
And it does not have to have the word axe in it.
And here are a list of popular axe throwing names. Life signed away. So we have to think of our axe name.
I guess mine will be Max.
Max Axe.
No, I want to be Max Payne, like the video game.
Oh, nice. What do I do?
And I'll put an E on it, so it's like axe.
Axe. Oh, let me see. Brax. That's a different story, y'all. We're gonna throw axes Yeah.
So feel free. There's restrooms in each corner. We
Okay.
have drinks for sale. We'll just take care of everything at the end.
Okay, all
Very
right.
good.
Is this something we should be doing before a race?
It's a little sore, but just upper body, right?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so the rules are the yellow line is your
Alright.
observation line.
Okay.
So for you two, it won't matter. It just means that only 2 people can be up here throwing at one time.
Gotcha.
Okay. Your red line is your safety line. And that means anytime axes are in motion, you've got to be behind that red line. So the rule is both axes need to be in the wood or on the floor before you step across that line to go get them.
Okay.
Okay, point for you all, okay?
Gotcha.
But you always want to start at the bottom of the axe.
Okay.
You don't ever want to choke up on them.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to start with your thumb on the back.
Okay.
You can step, not step. You can throw one-handed or two-handed, and I'm going to show you all of them.
Okay, very good.
So, are you right-handed, left-handed? We're both right-handed.
Right-handed.
Okay, so you're going to start with axe in your right hand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you do not want to step, you're going to get right on this red line.
All right.
You're going to aim at that bullseye. Extend your arm all the way out.
This nice lady whose name I didn't get gave us a thorough education on axe throwing.
Oh,
Straight. Gotcha. All right. I'm gonna let Stacey go first.
You're going to stand still.
Yes.
So just come up and throw. Nice.
Ooh, it's stuck in the wood.
Okay.
Here, film me. And it begins. Me, who is the anti-sports guy, loves the notion of this sport.
There you go.
Very good.
Sex, drugs, cocaine.
A little refresher.
Kind of push with your whole body. You actually want to throw.
Our little buddy and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down his place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, can you hear the play? I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
The only trick shot we can let you do is under. So the real rules are: this is 6 points, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
I gotcha.
Okay? Typically for first timers, we use old rules, which means all of this is 6, and
Gotcha.
there's no 5. Okay?
I see.
So in order to get the higher point value, the blade of your axe has to break that black line into the higher number.
I see.
And then if it's in the black line only and down, you get the lower number.
Interesting.
So close.
I got another video.
You got it. You broke it. You want to picture my phone?
Yes, please.
And you can make
We're gonna play a game and see who actually wins. Now it's competition. And we swap sides.
Melting down this other side.
Anticlimactic.
We did.
This was awesome. I've never done hatchet throwing before. It's awesome. Who won? It's not important. Best packet pickup ever. So that was so worth it.
It was so fun, and it's family friendly. There's no alcohol and there's no televisions because they really want you to just be in the moment and focus. There's no outside beverages, so if you get thirsty, you know, you can order drinks, and then they just total everything up at the end, and then you pay and you leave. It's really, so it's not like bowling where you pay up, you know, you have the experience, you have the coach, and then you pay, and it was really good.
I thoroughly enjoyed it because I've actually seen axe throwing kind of like it's been a thing lately, and I've been wanting to try it. And this was like, we were already doing packet pickup, and it's like
Yeah, for some reason packet pickup was at the axe house.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, that'll give us something to do on our first night in town. We could throw the axes, and it was really a fun activity.
Smoky Mountain Axe House.
And I think it's a chain, so I think there's some other locations, so you can check their website. But it's really family friendly and very nice.
Back to the beginning. Ooh. Snow.
Oh, it's snowing. It's actively snowing.
Well, off to bed.
No, we gotta run in. Are they gonna let us run in this?